I bought and tested these lenses so you don't have to waste your money. As an avid astrophotographer, I know how crucial the right equipment is for capturing the beauty of the night sky. Join me as I dive deep into the top 5 lenses that can elevate your astrophotography game. Product number 1. Big Mike's 500mm, 1000mm telephoto lens. When I first got my hands on the Big Mike's high-power 500mm, 1000mm f8 manual telephoto lens, I was genuinely excited. As someone who often finds myself photographing celestial events from my backyard, the prospect of capturing distant stars and planets was thrilling. The lens arrived in a sturdy package, and its robust black finish immediately gave me confidence in its durability. At 14.6 inches long and weighing 1.5 pounds, it felt substantial, yet manageable. Using this lens truly was an experience. The manual focus and aperture adjustments allowed me to immerse myself in the creative process. I remember setting up my camera one clear night, looking up at the vast sky and knowing I had the right tool for the job. With the 500mm focal length, my images of the moon were crisp and detailed, showing craters and textures I'd never captured before. Once I attached the 2x teleconverter, the lens became a whopping 1000 millimeters. I could see distant galaxies, and even the rings of Saturn became visible. Of course, like every product, it had its pros and cons. On the positive side, the exceptional magnification is a game changer for wildlife and astrophotography. The high-index, low-dispersion multi-coated optical glass ensures that each shot is sharp and clear. Product number 2. Canon EF-S 24mm f2.8 STM lens. The Canon EF-S 24mm f2.8 STM lens caught my attention as the slimmest and lightest of the EF-S series. Weighing in at just 4.4 ounces, it felt like a feather in my hands. I remember taking it out on a chilly night. The compact size made it the perfect travel companion for astrophotography. Its wide-angle capabilities opened up a world of possibilities, allowing me to capture expansive night skies. What impressed me most was the sharpness of the images. The lens has a maximum aperture of f2.8, which is fantastic for low-light conditions. I was able to pick up details in the Milky Way that I had never seen with my previous lenses. The 24mm focal length, equivalent to 38mm on a full-frame camera, provided a lovely perspective, making it versatile for landscape and night photography. The circular aperture with 7 blades produced beautiful bokeh, enhancing the overall quality of my images. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the lens excels in wide-angle photography, its minimum focusing distance of 0.16 meters means that it may not be ideal for extreme close-ups. Additionally, being an EF-S lens, it's only compatible with Canon aps-c cameras, which could limit its usability if you decide to upgrade to a full-frame camera later on. So why should you consider this lens? If you're looking for a lightweight, compact option that delivers excellent image quality for astrophotography, the Canon EF-S 24mm f2.8 is a fantastic choice. Product number 3. Move Shoot Move Lens Warmer. As someone who enjoys late-night astrophotography sessions, I found the Move Shoot Move Lens Warmer to be a game changer. During one of my recent outings, the temperature dropped significantly and I was worried about dew forming on my lens. That's when I decided to put this product to the test. The moment I plugged it in, I was impressed by its flexibility. It can withstand temperatures down to -25 degrees Celsius. This feature is crucial for outdoor photography in colder climates. The neoprene material feels high quality, and I appreciated how lightweight it was. Not only did it keep my lens warm, but it also prevented condensation, allowing me to focus on capturing the beauty of the night sky without interruptions. During my shoot, I noticed that the heater quickly reached a comfortable 167 degrees Fahrenheit, which helped maintain a clear view through the lens. The adjustable temperature settings were a bonus, allowing me to fine-tune the warmth as needed. Product number 4. Sony FE 16mm f/1.8G lens. The Sony FE 16mm f/1.8G lens is a powerhouse that I couldn't wait to try out for my astrophotography needs. Right out of the box, the lens felt premium, with a sleek design that matched my Sony camera perfectly. Weighing only 10.7 ounces, it was incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for long nights of shooting. I was particularly drawn to the fast f/1.8 aperture, which is a dream for low-light conditions, allowing more light to hit the fencer and capturing those stunning starry nights. During my first outing, I was blown away by the sharpness and clarity of the images. The lens features 2 advanced aspherical elements that minimize distortion and enhance resolution, which made a significant difference in my photos. The minimum focusing distance of just 0.15 meters, 0.5 feet, allowed me to experiment with foreground elements, creating depth in my compositions. I remember capturing the stunning silhouettes of trees against a starry sky, and the results were mesmerizing. Product number 5. Rokinon FE14MC 14mm f2.8 ultra-wide lens. The Rokinon FE14MC 14mm f2.8 ultra-wide lens quickly became one of my favorite tools for astrophotography. With its impressive 90-degree angle of view using an aps-c camera, I was excited to see how it would perform on those expansive night sky shots. The lens feels solid in hand, and its built-in petal-type lens hood added a nice touch of protection. I remember the first time I took it out. The night sky was clear, and I was eager to capture the Milky Way. The ultra-wide angle allowed me to frame the galaxy beautifully, and the f2.8 aperture performed well in low light. I was able to capture stunning detail in the stars without having to crank up the ISO too much, which kept noise to a minimum. The minimum focusing distance of 0.9 feet opened up creative opportunities for close-up astrophotography shots of interesting foreground elements, like rocks or trees, which brought depth and context to my images. However, like any lens, it has its downsides. While the image quality is generally excellent, I did notice some distortion in vignetting, particularly at the edges of the frame. This can be fixed in post-processing, but it's something to be aware of. Additionally, in conclusion, each of these lenses offers unique features that cater to different aspects of astrophotography. Whether you're looking for extreme magnification, a lightweight travel option, or a durable lens warmer, there's something here for everyone. Invest in the right lens and you'll unlock the beauty of the night sky like